Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the JavaScript error occurred in main process window. So for that we will be going first to the task manager. So we can do that simply by making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the task manager option here, or just simply make a right click also here in the task manager or taskbar, and then you will get the task manager option. So just please expand this window, and then the next thing you need to do is to go to the details. So if you can see the left pane here, all you need to do is just to click this three horizontal line icon here, and then you will get this navigation pane. So all you need to do is just to go to the details here, details tab, and then all you need to do is just to look for the Discord option. So find your Discord application here, and then you can now end task. So since I don't have a Discord option or Discord application, I'll just have this event manager option here as an example. So just make a right click on that and then click on this end task option, and then once you're done doing that, just close this window, and then we will proceed with the control panel. So to go to the control panel, simply make a search here in the Windows search tab and then type control. You will see under best match a control panel option. So just please click on that. And then once it is already open, all you need to do is just to go to the programs. So if you're not seeing your control panel window just like this, please make sure that you have selected the category options in this view by section here. So if you haven't, please go click on the drop down button and then click on category option. Once you have already done that, then go to the programs option, and then here we will be having the programs and features and default programs. So all you need to do is just to go to the, so let me just go back again a bit. So all we need to do is just to go to the uninstall a program just below the programs option. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to look for Discord again, find for the Discord program, and then uninstall it by just making a right click and then go click on the uninstall or change button here. So since I don't have Discord, then I'll just have the CCleaner software or program as an example. Make a right click on that and then click on this uninstall or change button. Once done with this one, close this window, and then we will be going now to the command prompt option. So please go again to the Windows search tab. Here we need to type cmd, and then you will find here the best match the command prompt option. So please click on the run as administrator option here, and then you will get this user account control window coming up. Just please click on yes, and then a black window will appear. All you need to do is just to type here the gp update. So this is the command gp update space / force. Again, this is gp update space / force. Once done typing with this one, we will close now this window, and then we will now open the run window. So please go make a right click here again in the Windows search window icon, and then go to the run option. Once you're in the run window, all you need to do here is just to type the %app data %. Again, it's a %app data %. Once done typing with this one, just please click on OK or enter. And then here, all you need to do is just to look for the Discord application or Discord folder. And once you have found it, then please make a right click and then click on the delete button. So if you haven't, if you have now the Discord button or Discord option, Discord folder, please click on this delete button here after making a right click. Once you're done with this one, we will now proceed with the local app data. So just close again this window, and then we will be opening the run window. So please go to your keyboard and then there press the Windows R key all together. And once this run window is already open, all you need to do is just to type there %local app data, and then %. Again, it's %local app data %. Once done typing with this one, just please click on OK or enter, and then we will get another window here, all you need to do is just to look again for the Discord application or Discord folder. And once you have found it, just do the same with what we did earlier. Please make a right click on that and then click on the select it first and then make a right click on that and then click on the delete button there, and then it will be deleted from your device. Okay, so once you're done with this one, close this window, open again the run window, and then this time we will be typing or going to the services.msc or we will be typing the services.msc command. So once done typing, just please click on OK or enter. And then here we will be looking for quality videos, audio video. So just select one option or one service here and then go to your keyboard, press Q, and then we will be brought to this quality Windows audio, or we will be brought to the Q section, and we need to find the quality Windows audio video experience. Once you're done, once you're in here, all you need to do is just to start it. So just please make a right click and then click on the start button here, and then once it is already started, just please go to the properties option and then go select or set the startup type into automatic instead of manual. Set it to automatic. Once you're done with this one, click on the start button again, click on apply, click on OK, and close this window. And then just make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. After doing all that process, download now the Discord after doing the restart from any browser that you have in your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.